Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Vancouver's Worst Drivers. Okay, first of all, I want to start this video off by saying I am sorry. It's been about 5 weeks since I last posted a video, and here are my two excuses. My first excuse is I was in Hawaii for a couple weeks. I have a video about that trip in the description below, but then also my second excuse is that I was going to post a video a couple weeks ago, but for some reason my computer deleted all of my videos in the file folder for this video, so I had to start from scratch, so I apologize. But anyways, here's also why I'm posting a video. It's like snowmageddon outside right now. Vancouver is in complete shutdown mode. Look at this Google Maps screenshot. Just like traffic everywhere. And I figure, you know what? I'm not even going to venture outside. So you know what? Here's my video coming to you guys right now. All right, so up first, keep your eye on this white pickup truck ahead of us. First of all, he has no lights on in the dark. And as you guys all know, that's one of my biggest pet peeves. But he also fails to yield for this ambulance coming up. He just keeps driving through, doesn't even stop, as you can see. And then take a look in his back window. He's got this like stop sign. I guess he's a traffic control or something. But I think somebody needs to hold it in front of him because he just blows right through. His red light is a left turn signal, yet he just goes right through. It doesn't even hesitate, doesn't even notice the car turning left right in front of him. It's just unbelievable. I think whoever's driving this SUV should be in the NBA. Okay, look at this killer crossover, Deke. Signals left, but then goes right. Oh my goodness, Steph Curry would be so proud of his killer crossover. And then we got another fake turn here. This van looks like it's going to turn right, but no, decides to go straight. And this black car narrowly misses an accident because he's assuming guy's going to turn right, but doesn't. That's why you always got to be a lookout for guys like this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why you cannot do U-turns in controlled intersections. Had this guy on the right not paid attention, that 100% would have ended up in an accident. Alright, big shout out to this guy by the name of Angus. He sent me a ton of clips, which I'll be using in this video and the next video coming up. But this one took my breath away, okay? This guy runs after his little mutt across the street, and it's like a kid chasing a ball in a school zone. And this guy almost risks getting run over by the cement truck for this little dog. Just, people, when you're running into the road, take a second to stop and think that maybe it's not worth it. This clip kind of makes me shake my head. He's waiting in the middle of the road, blocking the street, yet he's got this spot right here, right there, that he could park in where he's not in the middle of a road, yet he decides not to. And then we got this poor Hummer driver. This guy's got like less than an inch behind him. Oh my goodness, is that a ghost? Oh no, it's just my hand. Sorry guys, I just suck at taking videos on my phone, clearly. And then he's only got like 2 or 3 inches in the front of his vehicle. Like, how is this guy supposed to get out of this spot? My dad owns a Mini and he loves his car. I could just imagine the pain that he would feel if this happened to his Mini. Not only is this SUV too far forward, but also too far left to be pulling a parallel park move right now. And then you can see what happens next. This is a pretty ballsy move, turning right onto a street from a far left lane on a red light. Gotta give the guy some credit, he's got some courage. Shoulder checking on the highway in the dark, in the rain is important, like in moments like this. This guy clearly has not learned this lesson yet. This is a crazy clip taken by Arthur in West Van. This guy's driving the wrong way down the highway, flicks his high beams at Arthur as if like, oh, get out of the way, buddy. I mean, if you are driving down the highway and the center divider is on the right side of your vehicle, you're doing something wrong. And then here's a view from the back of the vehicle. As you can tell, this guy has no regard for other people because he doesn't even try and slow down by these cars. Alright, so this clip has nothing to do with driving, but it kind of makes me laugh when people who are so concentrated on texting eat it. Like this lady. I mean, she almost eats the grass with her face. It's just such a great clip. I'm sorry, I know I'm a horrible person, but I mean, it made me laugh, so who cares? Like always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos coming out. And I promise they'll come out more often than I've been doing lately. And thank you so much to Angus and Arthur for their clips in this video. And if you want to send me your clips, you can email them to me at vancouverdrivingvideos@outlook.com.